MySQL is a popular database management system. Docker is a tool for building and running isolated development environments. This video will show the installation of Docker on Mac, installing MySQL into Docker, and installing the MySQL Workbench on the Mac. We will configure the MySQL Workbench to communicate with the MySQL server inside the Docker container from the Mac OS. Note, at the time of this recording, January 2021, Docker is not compatible with the new Mac M1 chip. Check back at docker.com for updates. Let's start by going to docker.com. Click the Get Started button and start the download of Docker Desktop. Docker Desktop is an easy-to-use interface for working with Docker. Be patient, the download is large. Once downloaded, install Docker. Once the installation is complete, click the spacebar and Command key at the same time. In the search box, type Docker, and then start the Docker Desktop. In the Tools bar at the top of the screen, a whale icon should appear, with blinking dots above it. Once the blinking dots have finished blinking, Docker should be running. To confirm that Docker is installed correctly, we'll use the terminal. Hold down the spacebar and Command keys simultaneously. Type terminal and press the Enter key. In the terminal, type docker --version, then press the Enter key. A single line should appear telling you what version of Docker is running. If this occurs, things are running as they should. We want to find and install MySQL Community Server version 8, which is the latest stable release at the time of this video. Docker has a large library of images. Think of an image as the blueprint for creating a Docker container in the hub.docker.com website. In the browser, shown on the screen, I have gone to hub.docker.com and searched for MySQL. Clicking on the first option has brought me to the official MySQL image. On the right, you will see the command that will download the image into your own Docker installation. Return to the terminal window and type the command shown in the official image. Docker --pull MySQL. Then press Enter. Wait for download and installation to complete. Be patient. This may take a few minutes. When everything is done, each line should end with pull complete. When all is done, you'll see a blinking cursor. Type the line of code shown on the screen to start the server and make it available to the Mac OS. This command tells Docker to run MySQL, giving our container the name of MS, assigning the port on the machine to talk to the port in the container. Both use MySQL's default port of 3306. Setting a password of password for the root user. Feel free to set a stronger password if desired. And finally, telling Docker that the MySQL image downloaded earlier should be used. When done, press Enter. If the Docker Desktop dashboard window is open, go to it. If it is not open, look for the whale icon in the Tools menu, top right corner of the screen. Right-click on the whale and select Dashboard. In the dashboard window, look for a container named MS, which is a MySQL container. It should be green, indicating that it is running on port 3306. Hover over the line and icons will appear on the right. These icons include to stop or delete the container. From now on, use the dashboard to stop the server when you're not using it or start it when needed. Finally, let's install the MySQL Workbench and configure it to work with MySQL running in the container. In a browser window, search for MySQL Workbench or go to the official download page found at the URL on your screen. Click the Download button to begin the download. On the next screen, click the No Thanks, Just Start My Download link. Run the downloader and install the tool. When finished, open the Workbench. You may see a local connection already in place. Click it, and if asked, enter the password that was set when the MySQL server was run in the terminal. When the connection is successful, you should be in the Query Work area to begin working with the MySQL server. If there are no existing connections, create one by doing the following. Click the plus symbol next to the MySQL Connections label. Give the connection a name, Local MySQL or something similar. Press the Test Connection button. Enter the password in the dialog box that opens and then click OK. If everything works, a dialog box will open indicating that it was a success. Click OK. The dialog box will close. Click OK in the New Connection dialog box. You are returned to the default screen and the new connection should appear. From this point forward, to run MySQL, open the Docker dashboard, find and start the MySQL server. Then open the MySQL Workbench tool and connect.